I made $1,200 profit in one afternoon selling used books on Amazon, and in this video, I'm going to go over exactly how I was able to do that and the three-step system that you can use in order to basically do the exact same thing. It's super, super simple. So let's take a step back. This was about my first and a half year selling on Amazon. I had proved the concept. I made about a McDonald's salary my first year selling books on Amazon, living out of my car, not really knowing what the hell I was doing. But on my second year, I was on track to do $350,000 in sales and crack close to probably my first six figures in profit. Definitely the year after that. So this is how I was able to get $1,200 profit in one afternoon. I remember once I must have had $1,500 to $1,700 profitable books found that day, and I just knew I was about to make a grand profit. And so I was so excited. I always tell my parents, my victories. I've wrestled my whole life. I call them after I win a match. I tell them, hey, I'm making it to the finals match. Did the same exact shit here. I called my parents and I said, hey, I found my first $1,200 in profit. And I remember being so pumped. My car was filled with profitable books. And the way that I came across that many profitable books was I was driving here around Nashville, and I took the advice. I believe it was Reezy Resells gave this advice. So I used to go to BOOKSELLERS.com, which is a great place to find library sales. I would go to BOOKSELLERS.com, map out all the library sales, put them on my calendar, and I would make sure to hit those sales. But he said the best library sales are the library sales that are not advertised on BOOKSELLERS.com. So I was like, why not call libraries and see if they have any books for sale? And it just so happened, this was a Wednesday afternoon, but I called this library and they said, we're going to have one tomorrow. And so I think I either showed up the same day or the next day, and there was nobody at the sale. I was helping them essentially set up, and they let me look through all of the books. So I told you I would tell you a three-step system. The first system is find the books. So you can find the books at thrift stores, used bookstores, libraries, library sales, private library sales. The best library sale you can be at is the library sale that nobody else is at. That's a quote from my mentor, Caleb Roth, and it is damn true. So first step is find the books. Second step is scan the book. So here's a video of me scanning the books with Scout IQ, and as you can see, when it turns green, the book is profitable, and when it turns red, the book is not profitable. Or if it turns red, that means it's a very slow-selling book. So it might be profitable, but if it turns red, it means it's not going to sell fast enough. And vice versa, it might turn green. It might turn green if the book has low profit, but it's fast selling. So basically, if it's a fast-ish selling book, and it's profitable, it turns green. And if it's either not profitable or super slow selling, it's going to turn red. So I went in, and about probably 7% of the books I was scanning were good. I scanned all the books and literally filled up my Toyota Corolla with boxes and boxes of books. So the third step, after you scan the books and determine if they're profitable with the app that actually breaks down all fees, Amazon fees, everything, it tells you what you're left with at the end of the day. The third step is to list the books and get them active on Amazon. Super, super simple process. You're going to fill up a box. I recommend these boxes right here. They're Home Depot extra small, and it's hard to get those boxes over 50 pounds. Amazon doesn't like you to go over 50 pounds, so I use those boxes. All you got to do is list the books. I use GoToLister and put the books in the box, label them with F and SKU labels. That's going to save you 30 cents. Otherwise, Amazon charges you 30 cents per book to label. So put all the books in the box, pack them up, ship them out the door, and once they arrive at Amazon, Amazon's actually going to prep, pack, and ship the books to the customer. So they'll actually put the books in a box. I'm holding up a small box here, but you get the point. They will provide the cardboard. They'll provide the labor to put the books in a box for you. And when the customer purchases the book from you, they ship it to the customer and you get paid. They handle customer service and all that. That is the power of Amazon FBA. So that is the three-step system for running a profitable book business. Step 1, find the book. Step 2, scan the book. Step 3, list the books. It's that simple. Used books on Amazon are one of the best categories to pursue because they're so cheap. On average, you'll pay $2, $3 per book, and on average, you'll sell the book for $20, $30 plus. My student's average sales price is around $22. My current average sales price is around $30, and I sell a lot of textbooks. So that's the name of the game, guys. The more effort you put in to finding profitable books, meaning going away from where everyone else can find the books, like a private library sale or an estate sale or someone's private collection, the further away you can get from the thrift stores and used bookstores, which are great places to go to. You should be hitting those up weekly. But if you really want these home run $1,000 profit days, you need to be going where no one else is going. That is the key to the game. So if you guys want to challenge yourself in 2024 to build a profitable Amazon business, consider joining my Feed the Beast challenge. You'll get access to my $400 course absolutely free. And the purpose of this challenge is to help you get your first box of profitable items out the door in 30 days or less. And you'll set a profit goal. So whether your profit goal is $500 or $5,000, you can share that with the community. We have a private community, and we also do coaching calls every week. So you'll get to meet me on the coaching calls, and make sure to show up with your camera on. I guarantee you, if you want to ask me a question live, you'll be able to. And really the purpose of this is to hold you accountable, teach you the ins and outs of running a book business. You'll get access to my complete course that shows you how to find, scan, list profitable books, what triggers I use for Scout IQ. All that stuff is included in the course. It's very comprehensive. So click the link below, and it'll sign you up for the challenge, and we'll see you in there. Much love. Catch you in the next video.